With KHON2 weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha Pule, happy Sunday. It was a warm day outside, I'm not going to lie. Tomorrow, unfortunately, is going to be yet another humid day. Looking at the heat index across the islands, feeling like 94 degrees from Kahului, 92 here in Honolulu, feeling like 90 for Kauai, higher 80s for Hawaii Island. We do have some lingering moisture that's moving through the islands, and that's one contributing factor to the warmth or the humidity that we're feeling. Now, this disturbance that has moved in from last night and will continue to move westward throughout tonight in through tomorrow currently is situated around Maui County, and we're going to continue to see that move again towards the west. And following that disturbance, drier air is going to be replacing that, and that's what's going to pretty much be the trend stepping through the week ahead of us. Here on Oahu and Kauai will be where this disturbance will now then move to throughout tonight in through tomorrow and weakening at the same time. For the threats tomorrow, it's really just about our slightly elevated fire weather threat, which could continue to increase as we get into the middle of the week. In terms of our Nalu, our surf, not much changes from yesterday. Flat to 2 up towards the north and the west, 1 to 3 for the south and the east. So again, Tropical Storm Iona continues to pass or moving westerly in a westerly direction south of the islands. Now it's expected to pass due south of the islands come Tuesday night into Wednesday, reaching near hurricane strength, but will begin to weaken. Not expected to bring much showers or much impact to the islands. Following that, the second disturbance, which is expected to pass south of the islands Thursday evening into Friday, is expected to weaken. There is some gradual potential of development and strengthening, but is expected to continue to weaken as it moves towards the west for the greater part of these systems. Now, for this current disturbance, we see it moving towards the west, starting off tomorrow morning around Oahu, then moving out towards Kauai by the ending of tomorrow. And then again, drier air will be taking its place. Stronger winds will also be in the forecast. So you have drier air, you have stronger winds, and we have our drought conditions which continue to remain across the islands. Most extreme for Hawaii Island, most severe for leeward Maui and Molokai. Moderate conditions here on Oahu along our Waianae coast and the southwest portion of Kauai. But again, it doesn't take much for any outdoor fires to lose control. Now, currently we are in this Malie category of our wind speeds, but we're actually going to start to get to this Puhoho category, more windy conditions, 25 up to potentially 30 miles an hour, if not a little stronger, as we get into the second half of this upcoming week. That will carry us into the weekend. Quick note, Tuesday, Wednesday, a slight east-southeasterly flow to the winds, which could increase, unfortunately, SO2 emissions across the island chain. Have a blessed week, everybody.